What's up, my lovelies? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I welcome you with lots of love. And in today's video, we are going to be achieving this beautiful look that I did create for you guys today. Yes, I was definitely feeling for a burnt orange look, and today is the day I killed it. Okay, I hope you guys like what you see. If you like what you see, then keep on watching. And before you keep on watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, and join me and my lovelies on this journey. Anyways, you guys, let's get into this beat. So we're just gonna jump right in with the Beat by Deb palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this yellow shade right here. And I'm going to be placing this yellow lid right on top of the crease. And then this is going to be my transition. This yellow in this palette though is beautiful. Like, oof, that is giving me all types of spring vibe, baby. We coming, spring, we coming. Ooh, it's the transitions for me. I love it when my looks I just see the kind of vision I want. I'm gonna go in with a dark color, only because I'm going in for like a burnt orange type of shade. So I'm going to be going in with this orange shade right here called Tangerine Tings, and I'm just gonna tap a bit of that, and I'm just gonna peck Tangerine Tings right over here. This is so giving me like sunset vibes. So pretty. So now I want to go in with like a deep shade, like a darker shade. And I'm going to be picking in a bit of some skin. Right here. Ooh, yes. So that is what I was actually looking for. So I'm going to be picking skin like that. Placing it right on top there. Yes. So now we're just gonna continue blending that baby in. And I'm just gonna go ahead and darken up the look a bit with this shade right here called Snickers. My lovely, so as you guys could see, I already like did my base, my cut, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see like how this look is going to go, but so far this is looking real pretty. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this orange shade right here. It's a shimmer orange. Let me packing that all over the lid. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with this liquid glitter eyeshadow from e.l.f. This one is called Copper Pop. It's so cute, you guys. It's so small. And I honestly want this look to look super different. So what I'm going to do is use a small little tiny brush. I'm going to take my time with this because I don't know if it's going to, I don't know how it dries, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm just going to add like a little sparkle. So I'm taking my time with this look. I really want to try something different for you guys today, like just do things a bit differently. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish up with the eyes. Okay, we are, but I'm gonna be going and starting off with my face. I'm going to be going in with the Rare Beauty's primer. Now I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation in 550W. Okay, foundation is on. I'm going to go in with the Clinique Perfect Concealer in 98 Cream Caramel. I'm just going to add a bit of this because this is, it's like very full and it comes out a lot. So, yeah. So my loves, I want to try in this Beauty Treats Brightening Banana Powder. I got this from Winners and I want to try it out. When I seen it, I'm like, okay, cool. It was for $5. And this is how it looks. This is the packaging, super cute. It comes with a powder pad, which is bomb. You guys remember the last time I tried to show you guys, but this is how it looks. And this is the Sacha Buttercup. The Sacha Buttercup is a bit warm compared to this one. It is pretty bright. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sink into the skin a bit, just bake up a bit while I add some bronzer and some contour. You guys already know, I don't have to tell you guys twice, 3 times, whatever, is the Morphe AD Deep Glam palette. Guys, this powder is lightweight. It's really lightweight. And I felt like I didn't even apply anything on my face. It did feel like perfect. I hate baking powders that like feel so drying. It feels like, oh my gosh, your under eye is about to break. So far, like a lot of my new pickups have been so amazing. Yeah, you see? Doesn't look bad. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder in the number 420W. Let me just powder out this face. Now I'm gonna continue off with the eyes. So I'm still gonna go back in with the same shades that we did go on top of the lids. The reason why I'm trying something out different today is because I want to really see my eyes and see what it's giving. instead of having like my lashes like covering everything and I really can't see the look for itself. So this is why I'm doing it this way. I'm going to be trying out this glitter powder. Now we're gonna go ahead again and buff in the orange. So I'm going in with this orange right here called Juicy. I'm just popping that in. Okay, I'm gonna come right back and I'm going to be putting on my eyelashes. Okay, so I still want to bronze up the face a little more because I don't feel like it's giving me enough. That is definitely a vibe. And now I'm just gonna chisel it out. I'm gonna try out this blush right here. Okay, so now that I added the blush, okay, we're looking more like a Barbie. I feel like adding more blush, but I'm not gonna go too far because you guys know I love to go so far with it. What's next? Highlighter. And for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the MAC Gold Deposit, my all-time fave, you guys. Like, I haven't used this highlighter in so long, but today is the day. I want this look to be extraordinary. Girl, what you said to me? What you said to me? I am feeling this look. I'm feeling this look. I'll do so. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe lip liner in Trendsetter. Then I'm also gonna be topping that off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick and what's it called? Malt. What do you guys think? I kind of like it. I like the fact that it's kind of giving me like a reddish type of brownish type of look. Oh my gosh, and it's drying up so nice. I legit just added a little bit more lipstick, but you guys, this is looking so pretty. I love everything about this look, you guys. Like, look at my eyes. Look at my eyes though. Ooh, it's giving me like rich fish vibes, period. But extra vibes. Legit. Like, I'm that girl. I'm literally so extra all the time, but this is like, This right here is like giving me all types of Barbie life. I'm loving it. Into something that is not that serious. I don't need to change. I don't even feel like changing. Okay, my lovelies, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. OMG, no, I really hope you guys enjoyed. This look so bomb. So yeah, you guys, so anyways, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, my lovelies. Mwah.